square, it gets us there to me. No one be like me, the game is over like a movie. Just like phase, I won't begin a colomenta. I've got vibe net to wheezy on this instrumental. Just like your pastor, listen to my sermon. Do not let me pierce your system or poison us like a venom. Just like a witch, watch me begin the fly. Watch me begin the high. You know, what's up? You know, what's up? You know, say, I don't say, you know, what's up? So why you call the pretend, you don't know, what's up? You know, what's up? You know, what's up? You know, say, I don't say, you know, what's up? So why you call the pretend, you don't know? Number 2, never wish for what you cannot get. Never wish for the reason that will make you regret. The trousers, be the boss, not the skirt. Never start a journey you are sure you cannot end. That is that. She get the mind to say, who is that? Well, who is that is putting you right on your back. Prepare, because you got a run for my track. And don't expect to win, because for sure I know they carry last. They know. What's up? They know. What's up? They know say, I know say they know. What's up? So why they call they pretend they don't know? I say they know. They know. They know. Them not say I know say they know. So why they call they pretend they don't know? Before my palate died, I was a butty boy. Misbehaved money tonight, I was a naughty boy. After that, everything happened so drastically. People disappeared, they went on sabbatical leave. Suddenly, I see myself, they tread 24/7 on that sun, I see myself, they swear. My former friends oppressed, jumping on fashion trends. Every time I look in the mirror, man, I fashion mess. See, my situation be critical past critical. My mentality, cynical past cynical. You don't go believe so King Gary was my favorite food. So unbelievable, my everyday na April Fool. You know, what's up, you know, what's up, you know, say, I don't say, you know, what's up. Thank you. Find out about now you want to give me problems for you, have you? Yeah, I go club. Alright now, my name is John NetworQ. Thank you guys very much. Because of time, I may have to end my show here. Make some noise for me one time.